Right then, quick video. So this is a 1.4 Polo. The later model ones of these seem to be causing a bit of a stir. So I'm not sure on the years that they did this exact engine or this engine that's got this problem. Danny will put it up on screen, but it's quite late on. But this is the problem. I have to get my hands dirty here. So this is the standard factory dual mass flywheel, and it's dead. It's got no resistance in it, knocking and banging away. Clutch looks fine, but it probably would have slipped, especially if it were tuned or whatever, but it probably would slip because when the flywheel's not working properly, the clutch is slipping these. So, bit of an odd one. For some reason, VW dropped the replacement parts and you can't get them in the aftermarket when these were still in warranty, I believe. So part of the update, the repair, whatever you want to call it, VW were putting a solid flywheel in rather than a dual mass, changing a few other bits and a dry shaft, and I think it was well over £1,000 for the bits. You can get them in the aftermarket a little bit cheaper, but it's not the right kit. So we've put together our kit that we're going to put in these, which we've done quite a few of them now, but I've never videoed it. So this is pretty much based on the silent kit that we already do. And then we have to make an adjustment in the ECU to bring the idle up, just to make it a little bit quieter. So Toby's going to get this thrown back in. It's a boring job watching him throw it back in. So we'll pick this back up when we're going to make the adjustment on the computer. So, as you've probably been able to hear, it's kind of like the PD chatter that you used to get with the old single mass flywheels. The noise that the dual mass is damping is the injectors firing, and obviously all the harmonics that comes with that, and that's why we have a dual mass flywheel. And even though this clutch has got some really big springs in there that are designed for a TDI, you still get this noise. So the next job, we've got to do an idle adjustment just to make things a little bit quieter and make it exactly how it should be, basically. So Tom's just read the file off and changed the idle RPM, so now it should be at about 1070-ish, something like that, 1070, so I think it was like 850 before, something like that. Start. It starts a bit lower, and you rev it and goes a little bit higher. But the clutch noise is pretty much gone now. Can't hear anything. So I think that's this all sorted. If you want to know what parts we fitted, they're in the description. Obviously the change to the RPM, you can't do that in VAGCOM, you've got to do that in the software, so either we can do it or I don't know if the dealers will do it as part of some sort of upgrade, I'm not too sure, I doubt it. So yeah, thank you.